Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by choosing the calculator mode that matches the Phasor format you'll use. Enter the first Phasor now. If in polar, type magnitude, angle using the or polar key. If rectangular, type real plus imaginary. Make sure the calculator's angle units match the data, degrees or radians, because a unit mismatch gives wrong results. Once the first Phasor is entered, store it in memory or a variable so you can add it to the next Phasor without retyping values. Now convert any polar Phasors to rectangular to simplify addition. Compute x equals r cos theta and y equals r sin theta for each Phasor. You can do this manually or use the calculator's conversion functions, then perform complex addition directly. Add real parts together and add imaginary parts together. Once the rectangular sum is obtained, check those intermediate values to ensure no sign or unit errors. If you prefer, use the calculator's complex mode to add without manual conversion, but verify both approaches match. Finally, convert the summed rectangular result back to polar if your answer needs magnitude and angle. Compute r equals sqrt, x squared plus y squared, and angle equals atin 2, y, x. Report the magnitude and angle with the requested precision, and make sure the angle is in the correct unit and quadrant. If numbers seem off, recheck angle unit settings, signs of imaginary parts, and any memory recall mistakes. Often a wrong degree versus radian setting, or a negative sign flipped during conversion, is the culprit.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.